How to get GPT 5.6 Soul, Terra, Luna, Claude Sonnet 5, Kimi K3, and others for free. Open your browser, then go to this link, which I will leave it below comment. Make sure you click the link in my comment to get $60, or else you get $50 only. Right here, you need to click the Get Started for Free button. Then click Create an Account in order to create an account. Then sign up with Google or GitHub. But signing up with GitHub right now has some problems, so I recommended you to sign up with Google. After you sign up, you will be redirected to the dashboard. Right now, you have received $60 for free. Now let me show you a quick test, and later, I'll show you the model list. Right now, you need to create an API key, but at this website, it's called a consumer key. Now click the Create Consumer Key button, then enter a name, then complete the CAPTCHA, and then click Create Key to get an API key. Now that you have the API key, copy the full API key, and then I want to test using curl. I'm using curl online. Here's the base URL, which I will put in the description below. For the AI model, get back to the website and click the Models Catalog tab. Now you have free GPT 5.6, Claude Sonnet 5, Kimi K3, GLM 5.2. For this demonstration, I'm going to choose GPT 5.6 Luna. The AI has responded. That was a proof. It was working perfectly. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please click subscribe button for more video like this.